Hello everyone, my name is 𝗨𝗵𝗺𝗀𝗃𝗵𝗺𝗺 and I'm one of the English language trainers at FutureE. Let me tell you a little bit about my educational background. I have done honors and masters in English literature from National University, Bangladesh. I have done my second masters on TESOL from University of Derby, England. TESOL stands for Teaching English to Speakers of Other Languages. I'm delighted to share with you that I have achieved distinction in this course. This course focuses on teaching English to non-native speakers. As a part of my academic requirement, I have done extensive research on learning and teaching English. It has equipped me with essential skills and knowledge about how to teach English to non-native students. With in-depth knowledge about second language acquisition, I have devised strategies to make English learning more enjoyable and fruitful for my student. I would also like to mention here that teaching is my passion. I feel immensely satisfied when I can contribute and facilitate in the learning process of my students. Thank you.